What's going on, YouTube? Today's the day. Finally going to do the front bumper and the winch. And we're at my boy's shop at Saints Motorsports. You guys gotta see this new warehouse. This thing is amazing. Let's go. Time to get the front bumper on, get the winch on. We're over here at my boys shop, Saints Motorsports. They're about to knock this thing out. The winch plate, no poison spider on the winch. There's the winch. We're not only going to just do the front bumper and the winch right now. The guys are going to torque the suspension, get it all dialed in. They're used to working on Lambos and Ferraris in here, but today they let us slide in the Jeep. Already looking like a whole new Jeep. This is Mr. Saints Motorsports himself. So we're working on it, getting things rolling. So far, we've got the front bumper completely taken off. The winch is getting set in place. We got the winch line right there, just getting stretched out. I'll show you guys the shop, man. This thing is amazing. It's only a portion of it, literally just one corner of it. It just goes for days and days and days. Multiple shops, just keep going. I think this place overall has like 8 bays or 9 bays. They're doing it right over here at Saints Motorsports. This is their front office area right here. This place. And this is new location too. He just got it. Some of the work they've done. Excited, man. This is gonna come out cool. I've been telling you guys we're gonna get this stuff on. It took quite a while, but that was on me. It's gonna look like a whole new car now. Just got the cable all in there. Do the bumper, getting the lights installed. Man, this thing looks so nice. Control for it. Almost done. Yeah, no, I didn't turn them on yet though. And this thing is coming along nice. The guys at Saints Motorsports are killing it right now. While the guys at Saints Motorsports are killing it, me and my cousin is just over here observing, making sure everything's going good. Everything going good, Sam? No, it's a negative. We gotta ask Jamie. He's more optimistic. Jamie, everything going good?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all that matters. That's it. And now do it for the front bumper and the winch. Man, that thing looks nice. Here's the control for the winch. Oh yeah, we should try out the fog lights, huh? That ain't a halogen? How's everything looking down there, Zam?
Pretty good. Finger tight.
Oh, nice. That's normal, right? It's like, that's how you're supposed to be able to adjust it on the trail, just twist it with your finger?
Yeah, I'll torque it for you real quick. There you go.
Nice. That looks like about the right amount of pressure. Guys, make sure you always check your suspension. Front bumper and winch complete. Now we got Jamie over here torquing everything up. You notice that the car was sitting a little crooked. It's about 3/4 of an inch higher on this side than that side. You could actually kind of even tell in the video. But he's about to make all the adjustments. We still got another 2 inches we could raise the car with this coilover system, but right now we're just going to try to line it up. Got the coilovers adjusted. Got the front bumper and the winch installed. Time to get back out there. Loving the way this Poison Spyder bumper looks on there. Thanks again to Saints Motorsports. They killed it.